CL computer assisted learning, CALL computer assisted language learning, CCE continuous and comprehensive evaluation, CLL community large language learning, DIET District Institute of Education and Training, ELT English Language Teaching, ELL English Language Learner, UGC University Grant Commission TL Target Language, United Nations Children Fund, UNESCO United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, Universalization of Elementary Education, TLM Teaching Learning Materials, TESL Teaching English and Second Language, TBA Task Based Approach, SN Special Needs, SEN Special Educational Needs, SA Structural Approach, NCF National Curriculum Framework 2005, MT Mother Tongue, ICT Information and Communication Technology, GTM Grammar Translation Method, FCA Functional Communicative Approach, UEE Universalization of Elementary Education, EMI English as a Medium of Instruction, ESP English for Special Specific Purpose, ESLP English as a Second Language Program, PWD Persons with Disability, SCERT State Council of Educational Research and Training, ELL English Language Learner Learning.